Definitely, don't worry. We have ample of time. In fact, we have 3 working days, and I will cover from very basic to the advanced. And do you know, trainings to the corporate organizations where participants are around 15, 20, then 2 days are more than enough. And you are quite fortunate to the training in the whole 3 days, and you will get a lot of the new ideas. Okay, now let's start our lecture. And before starting our lecture, I would take notes either on MS Word or on paper, so that whenever I talk something, whenever I tell you any, you can say the feedback, any guidance, it will help you in your life, or it will help you to make advanced spreadsheet modeling. Okay, let's start. Let me. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay,
Yes.
Nicole, can you see my screen? Okay, if you see in the Microsoft Excel, this sheet is open in front of you, and in a single, this is called single workbook, means a single Excel sheet, single Excel file that multiple worksheets. This workbook, and in the green title, this is called Excel work. Right now, the book 7. Okay, this is called title bar, and then the name of the file. And here, these sheet 1, by press here, I can add multiple sheets, even though you can add here 56 worksheets here. Okay, this is the workbook. The name of the workbook is book 7, but right now I'm working in sheet 2, means I'm working in sheet. You can rename this sheet as well. There are multiple, let's say, simple double click here and write a worksheet name, let's say training. Okay, and that you can rename it by simple right click over there. There are multiple options. Go there, rename, and a rename name, let's say Excel training part 2. Whenever you will open an Excel file, you is called the title bar of the workbook, and all these are called worksheets. There can be multiple, and in a single worksheet, you can see worksheet contains multiple cells. This is a single worksheet. You can see there a single sheet and columns, B column, C column, D column, and it can move up to 7 columns. Okay, and if we move into the row, this is single row, second row, fourth row, means in a single Excel worksheet we have 16,000 columns and 1 million rows. This is row, and the name of rows is number, while the naming convention columns is alphabets. Let's say if I'm in the cell 11 box, this is called name box. In the name box, I'm cell E. If I am here, I can see I am in L, means L column, 17 row. Let's say if I ask from Nicole, I am at the moment. In which cell I am at the moment? I 26. I means I column, 26 means 26 row. Means in a single Excel sheet there are blocks. I'm at the moment I 26. Okay.
Yes,
Here, fine. That's great.
good.
That's great. I just started that book in a single can be multiple worksheets, and single worksheet contains multiple cells, and a single cell and number. Alphabet means this is a cell, a single cell contains. Now the question arises, we have the A column, B columns. We have total 16,000 columns. And how many rows? More than 1 million rows. Let me show you the columns and rows. Right now I'm A4. We can see in the name box. This is called name. Let's say if I want to jump into the last row, I will press Control down arrow. Control is a short jump into the last. Now you can see in the name box, I'm at the moment A this cell, row number. Okay. Now if I want to move back into the first row, what will be the shortcut? I'm here at the, but I want to move back into the first row. What will be the shortcut? In the name A1. Why? What is the second option, Nicole? I want to move back into the cell A1. How can I do? No issue, no issue. Basically,
Sorry.
I'm.
Sorry,
Don't
my
worry.
eyes.
I'm yes.
Yeah, it's hard for me to so I'm gonna try my best.
Okay. Um, basically, always interact my session both ways so that you may. I will ask answers by this. The retention power would be high. Okay. Right now, I'm here. Cell A column, the row number, which is more than 1 million. And if I want to move back into the first row, the shortcut is control. Automatically, it will jump into the first row. If I press control, let me write here control in your laptop plus. If I want to the last row, control magic, I just move into the last row. And if I want to move back into the first row, control, I move back into the first row. If you want to move into control right arrow, automatically you move into the last column. Control left arrow, you move into the first column. Means in a single worksheet, if you want to move into the corner of the sheet, just press control, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, automatically you will move inside your worksheet. Got it? Give me the thumbs up. Nicole?
Thumbs up.
Now, let's say if I say to you go in 100, this is the name box. Just press there A100. Automatically you will move in. Let's say if you want, I say to the cell, let's press there C17. Automatically, sorry, C17 will move into that cell. You can see there. C is being highlighted, 17 is highlighted, means I'm in cell C17. I'm just give you the idea that outside the worksheet. Okay. Now, let's say you see in the bar, this is called quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar means, let's say if I write something and I want to, let's say I want to bold, I want to increase the size of the color, and I'm using these kind of tools, and you want to use these tools frequently again and again, then I will put how, just simple right click, add to the quick access toolbar. Automatically this tool will come here, and I will use these tools frequently again and again. Let's say if I write some name here, write name here. Now I want to go here. Okay. And I just sorry, add back here. So, okay, now it's fine. I can't hear you. Now you are internet. Let me check it. Another. Now my voice is clear. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, I could hear you.
Okay. Let's tell you, what is the quick access toolbar and how you can add tool here. Let's say if I use this tool frequently again and again, then I can put this tool here. Launch the fill color again and again. I just right click here and put it into the toolbar. This is a quick access toolbar. Okay, let's say something here. My name. Okay, in the background, go there and apply the cube. Okay, you can do the toolbar. Other tab, home tab, data tab. In a tab, you will see multiple options to work there. Multiple options to work there means in a single tab you can see on the home tab. Home tab means home tab you can see the multiple groups. I'm just giving the brief idea, bigger picture of Microsoft Excel project. Okay, this is the name of the workbook. All these are functions. I'm Excel part. I can give color of the tab. I can give them there. I just give the yellow of my worksheet. In worksheet, in multiple cells, how many columns we have? Alphabet B, alphabet C, alphabet D, all columns, column buttons. Like how many rows? 1 million rows. This is a row name. Starts from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And right now, let's say I'm in the cell. You can see I am in the one. And if I want to jump to the last cell, I will add a shift control number. At when it will move into the last cell. Likewise, I do the last one. I press control right. At when it will move and I'm using to jump in the cell. I will put into there. How can I do that? Just go there. Let's see. Click. Active access tool. Now you can see it has there are options, but anyone use and a few tools. All these are insert, draw tab. If I write some number 6, let's say 2, you can see the formula bar. There are numbers there. If I want to add 2 numbers, I will apply formula. And in order to use formula with equal sign, you will apply formula. This is right. So simple apply. Some has been added. Leave the tab T tab behind Q. Again, you look inside formula. Okay, let's select the name 1, 2. Now you can see both numbers have been added and what is item system. Now in the formula you can see that both numbers have been added. L6, L7 and otherwise answer. The beauty of this function is that it changes the number change. You can see how the answer will be updated. Okay, in the now I just write some over there. Let's you add numbers from 1 to 10. This was the Excel sheet. Numbers over there. 1, 2, 3. And Excel has very feature. Let's say if you want to change, just drag it say till here. It will drag it out and then you change Excel series. After one series will become one tree. Okay, now I want to add these numbers. How equal can we? I want to add these numbers. How equal to
the sum, huh?
Then
through
no. Then we will move inside. And then you move inside formula. You can select a range. Now
please.
Okay, let me do it again. Let's say I want to add these numbers. I will start formula to sum. Now I select first time outside formula. P is behind my code. Automatically I move inside. Now I will add all numbers. These. Let's select it. So I want all the numbers from 1 to 3 are each function. Particularly 4 is selected. Now see automatically you get your result in 20. And if you change this number, if I change it, my answer would be updated. Okay, can you do this for me again? Can you do this for me, Nicole?
Yeah, so this one G9 equals parentheses
for move start as tab.
Yeah, 5 shift A9.
And select all these numbers and shift then
yeah.
Now you can see who you will see. Now you can till numbers from G5 to G8. G8 means G5, G6, G7, G8 means add the numbers from and the 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Rajin, can you do that for me? Please add these numbers is equal to.
Okay, so you're going to hit down the component sum, type in sum, and hit that. And then you go up to 65 and shift and then all down 15 2 3 0 and hit enter. And
You are brilliant. You don't have it. I get my right answers. I even write my questions. Can you test it for you? if I create a data set, like I'm just creating data, and let's say this for can my now let's do functions over there. Some maximum, minimum, and I want to add these numbers. How can I do that? Can I do this now? I want to add March, April, May.
So you would just say sum and then the tab.
Sorry, some that
And shall I put the top one down, or would you shift all the way over to May?
very good. This result January.
Okay, it's January.
January, right? Oh, I see. Very good. I'm in fact I have opened so many applications. Just give me a moment. Just hold on, just give me a second. Okay, 1 minute. Let me restart my system. I'm just coming in 1 minute. Okay, Nicole.
I'm still here. I'm trying to figure
just-
out how to change my
I'm just coming in 1
screen.
minute. I'm
Yeah.
just Nicole, can you hear me?
Yes.
I just restarted my system. Now this is working perfect.
Oh.
Sorry for that. Sorry. Sorry, Regan. I just restarted my system. Now it's working perfectly fine.
It's okay.
There was lag in the system, and I fix it now. Let me see. Okay. Now everything. If you see here, I am from the basic asset. I want to put the work is one. This is by default. I'm making a worksheet, sheet one. One way is that right click there and simple and actually I can give it name Excel string. And last I can add new sheets. So simple put the plus button. I can give it to the different color. How just say it is a good color. I like. I give a okay. If you want you can put let's say right activity bar. Now this will go into the cookie bar. All these are there are multiple like I'm the get possible and make second to get another there will be multiple like you want to check column data validation. This is all the name box means it will tell you that which Excel cell you are at like D20 means the column 22 row like here. Likewise if you go E17 go to E17 means I'm the E column vertical and the 17 row. Can I teach you how to use let's have the last how can I double Nicole I'm going to the last how can I
So you down row.
Roll down arrow.
Yeah,
Actually, that's a total first row. Let me write the first row. I'm writing first. Okay, and let's say these numbers are for different months. Now let's say one the all the March, April. How can I add March, April, May? How
so you do close some tab, and then you click on the furniture.
well,
Hold on to one, and then
and more important that you simply formula will like this formula is for the same for third. I can move the easy. Okay, I will have to add all the data for sales. Is it something? Please.
We do the same thing, so you just hit equal on tab and then go down, show drop down, hit enter.
And then awesome. So now I have a maximum number from the this is and you can different color like this. When I go select select from the mouse, just different. Now I want to maximum for this thing. How can I do that? Max that scenario. I don't know. I want to pick the maximum number. Any idea?
No.
But now the first we want to get a maximum number between 6 and AX. Then we the last value it will be the maximum. So I was presuming maximum 50 was 150. Maximum number. Like if it is the minimum number from that.
You're just hitting as max but equal and min y-n.
Very good. Now I want to get the second maximum. How can I do that? Second maximum. Second means the maximum and the second will be 150.
We just equal to max.
No. Let's say the function last will be the second function maximum. Then press tab. If you see there are two formulas. There means like this form. Automatically means number maximum, fourth maximum. Second maximum. So it press automatically the second. Okay. Can you repeat? I want to get a minimum.
you do equal which
Very good.
tell you the rate, the numbers, and then come to 43.
Very good. Both the third maximum. I get the answer. Actually, you also on the board. Okay. Now this one equal to the four minimum from the
So we equal small.
Very good. Awesome. Appreciate it.
And the numbers also shift.
My data. Add these one time data. Then rest. Now then I get average number. How good? Right.
Well, 80 average.
Move inside your formula. Next range will give you the design. Wow. Get it. It is easy. Now how can I do that? Now you can see their numbers. Now I can see that all numbers, while all these are numbers. And this in Microsoft, this is behind. Scroll to now you can see this number and where is the file. You can easily see the whole sheet just by a data. Now this is if I want to move back into the original position, press the formula shape like control tilde. I just move the let function more. And I will really do the same thing for it.
I don't think I have to fix one.
You don't
I'm actually just following you one.
If you again wants to share this organizer, just click on their name and their enter so they can share it.
Okay. Make it.
Yeah. Now, once actually make the region or wants to, then you can just right click on the Microsoft Presenter and it's
okay. Thank you. Now
Okay, I don't really like run.
Now you share screen.
It's like something.
Yeah, good body. Now, what is a workbook?
I haven't.
No, the sheet name. The sheet one workbook was on top of the workbook name. Where is the one?
What question?
Where the quick access?
The door is on the top.
Yes, top.
And in the quick access bar.
Okay.
I will add it. Right. Okay. Now
Would be
to the
control.
control down arrow.
Yeah.
You are now move back to the a now let's say a 55.
Okay. Do I type it in?
No, okay. Put the name box in the left of it.
Okay.
Here A because this is the name box. From
Okay. My camera is slow.
you can navigate. You can navigate here and now if you know add them maximum, minimum, average, all allowed.
Okay.
You can get started. First, let's
Okay.
first create a data set 5 numbers. You just have to create a data set 5 numbers. Very good. Max, minimum, Where you can apply the maximum, minimum, large, like I wanted the maximum. You just tap.
Yeah.
You do not check out it. Just miss the shift. But you let it leave.
Did I miss something? Yeah,
Yes,
I get second button.
No.
See. This one. Max. Tab. Tab. Hold on. Because I'm like on the line, so it's hard for me to see. See. This one through this one. Okay.
Well, now select.
Let's see. Three.
Now minimum.
So what?
Minimum.
Okay. No. And then
Where I want to see all my formulas. What is the shift?
so that would be control. Delta, which is
Behind what?
Huh?
Behind.
control.
Now you can see your yes. Okay. I would request to listen to your and so that you get clear about how you're moving. Now, I would request you can ask questions from Regent so that he may follow sections.
Okay.
Okay, so far you can ask Regent, please shift and do the same thing.
Hold on.
Okay. Meanwhile, can you give me 5 minutes? I'm coming. Okay. You can continue. You can help. Okay.
Just like
Yeah, his mic is on, but not we can't. I just issue. No, it's not. So far, what about the worksheet? What is the difference between the worksheet? Single worksheet, and single worksheet. How do the difference? Now, now you see that this is my data, and your manager says, please select all the sets that contain formulas. You can see that all these formulas, and someone says to you, please select the formulas. How you will do that? How is that function? In some computer function, not special function. How? Select my control A, automatically select my whole data. So A, the shortcut, then press 5. This is called go to you can pick the formula. I'm taking all the steps in formulas and you all the formula over there. Okay. And I will
are you still there?
I'm okay, Nicole.
Yes, I think the
Hello?
connection is a little bad.
Yes, connection is little bad and we can switch off our cameras. Now it's fine. Nicole, can you see?
Yes.
Okay. I just think how you can highlight numbers. How would you just select the cells, select the data. Let's say I want to see the whole sheet from there and apply the F5. In the F5, go to special and see that there are multiple there. So you select the formulas, all the specific formulas, and then you can enable a single click. Let's say there are blanks in your data, and you want to highlight all the blanks. How do you select the data? Press F5, special, put blanks. Automatically in a single click, make all the blanks. This is a function. Okay. Now let's say you might say please fill the blank with 0 or not have to say. And I will select my word. That is my set. I would pick blanks. And here because I want to write multiple enter. Now you can see how the formula will apply to like this. Okay. Can you do this again? Do you want to repeat or this?
Can you repeat with this, please?
Okay. Let me. This was okay. Now I want to see formulas in different. Now you can have formulas. And if I do this, I don't want to do this manually by click because you do my time to learn this. Now I want to equal 10 formulas. How can I do that? They are using to go to the F5 function. F5 and the formulas. Automatically all things that contain is selected by all the formulas and give them into the different colors like this. Okay. Let's see the flash in the data. We can assume that there is no sales in these. After many, please replace these blanks with the tab table. There are multiple blanks. 1, 2, 4, 5. If you 1,50,000, 1 million data, and you want to remove the blank certain number or with certain name, it will be very difficult. And it's a short whole data set. I will select data set. And to the F, go to the special, and here are the options. We just use formulas. Now go to the blanks. all cells will be that contains blank. Then I write variables. If I want to apply this multiple cells, I just enter. In single I just write on multiple cells. Okay? Give me thumbs up. You are okay? I move in and okay. Now you can just select all the cells. Go. This is this number. This text means it is alphabet. Now more visible on 5. Then into only text. So all the adding color. So you can navigate. Get my point? You can convert the data and potential and pick only the numbers. Right. Okay. Means by using that function, it's a good function. This function to the data 5 session. I can pick my blanks. I can pick the percent, etc. Which is these two that we cover. Okay. Can let me repeat again. Now my question is on what I want to change the formulas. I want to get say for all the formula. How will we do that?
You do the F5 button.
Oh, the steps to select data.
Okay, so data.
Entry. Okay, then.
F5.
Then.
We do special.
Then.
Formulas.
Right. And then application color. Okay, give the different color. If you move your mouse, you can give the different color option. Now, Najan, Najan or what? I want to highlight. Okay.
So you're in Control A.
Okay.
You're gonna hit F5.
Okay.
You're gonna go to Control.
Okay.
And then you're gonna go
No, no.
okay.
Okay.
And then you could change version and we'll change.
Okay. I want to play the blanks with no or single.
My computer is gonna you in that, so do that. So
The procedure is like that.
okay.
F5. The blanks. Okay, now that's the same. Now let's not table. Then automatically like all the settings. Okay.
So if you put the knuckle in the actual like this formula bar, but like actual lotion, will it apply to all or does it in the bars like to all?
To like all you go to the person go then I will write something to the let me do this.
So you have control here, you just press there.
Then let's try out here. Okay. So and this okay really writing to all these whenever I press control enter. Automatically like the results. Okay. All clear?
Yes.
Okay. Like my question is because I want to redesign the 0 formula.
So you select it, it will press F5 links formula folder.
Very good, very good. Very good. Now my question is
So you're in a audience wall. And you're in a go to special. And then go to these other ones and just type it. Okay. Then you go to the yeah.
That's what I will do. This is a shortcut and go okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now my question, let's say this my this for that is why this for how so I can't remember there few names. Let's say let's say these are the single function. Let's name it. Now let's you make your name. Let's say Mike. How can you let's use this Mike. I want to replace it. Let me name it back. How can you name it? What is the shortcut for it? It was a home here. These different options over find and so let's find base and after which automatically this window will be placed like automatically you can all the has been placed with the new with the
You want to change the number, you do H.
very good.
And you type in all the function, what and do what you want.
No, everything is your okay. Now we'll base new text. Okay. My question: when I change the name of Bravo with Adams, how will very good.
Change and what you change it.
I just okay. Now okay.
No.
Now my question Google number one place the zero. How can I do it?
You select replacement.
I will do all the
Control yeah. And then with even okay, so all zeros. So you would do H.
very good.
Type in 0 and then put what you would like.
I not have to. Now the issue is I have to move back because I just make like 1 second. On my action, how can I do that?
Back on the left, my words.
Yes, okay, move. Now, that contains
Yes, so you would have to select the cells that you want cells. Then you would do F5.
there's no option for purpose. I will define data replace.
Okay.
Now the all the size option. If you load, you are both 0. Now that it's also giving 1 0 0. All we need 0 option will say please match the entire cell. Now you will give only cell again. Okay. Now I have to highlight the that contains 0. I set my data control H and let's want to find all the cells that means so in number 1 to 5 we want to highlight cells in options. another man cell content. It will be only secretary. Okay, maybe cell can jump here. I have data sheets. This is to make it. Let's say find their name. Okay. Now I can from I want to find that name.
You're gonna hit Control A to select everything.
Okay.
You're then gonna yep, and then you're gonna go find
Okay. Right.
yep, find all.
Now you give me all the text. In small letter you are in capital. But only let's say match case. I'm thinking so you should find the letters like that and the options. You can see there's a match case. If I click particularly give me the only options, that's the letter. So I small. Now to give me only and it's different like this. You can find like with Jack. Okay.
Okay.
Now my question is for Nicole. I'm going to replace Jack and we can find that.
Selecting column.
Okay, column you want to see column stress. Typically
Control H.
Okay.
You do check replace with.
Replace. Jack, Jack one. And if both cells that contain Jack. Why not this?
Because not sensitive.
And want to find that.
Find all options. Yeah, select and then select one.
Now you can Jack is okay. And now and what about please?
Yeah.
I'm moving fast. Yeah, this is your feedback. I'm moving fast. And I'm going to feel if you move put more speed, you can and we can reduce it. Okay. Now, here's a written question. Like I want to get a percentage.
You want to finish?
This is my data. I want to see percentage. That's it. Now see the total value. See what is the percentage here? That is equal to this divided. Okay. So we can calculate. Now you can see I want to get percentage. This is my total value. Okay. If I say I would divide number is equal to this with total. Then nickel sign.
Yes.
How can norm tab single number formatting change it from general to the divide answer percent 100 or like that. Okay. And if you increase that you can use this. Okay. I want to get percentage for all else. How I would simply like this. Better. Here answer is correct. Here answer is not correct. Why? And in the question there.
It's because it's long row says E20.
Very good, very good. You point out the direction. Nicole, you got correctly 5 divided by E20. That's fine. But when you pull it down, it moves, but it also moves down. And let's say E20, for that purpose, what do you think? Is the by E20 again? Go there and apply it again or not?
What? Yeah, the right one. If you're plugging in drawing, that's what you do.
That's I don't recommend to go this way. And that's because one lock this. So that person here, dot. I will lock that. There are two types of cells. Absolutely. Next is relative. That means there is no line. There is no line. Suppose when I will continue each cell, for that purpose I will assign solar line each cell. Now I will write now formula is easy. Suppose cell is moving position. It will lock your cell even by drag. Okay, let's do this. I want to say like that.
Okay, so would click on 2%.
No,
Equal. Yeah.
No, but I don't get sections. How can I change it? Change it.
Okay. So you would click on it. One.
This is the decimal format. This is the you can increase decimals. This is the cursive format. Which is there, but only 2 decimals. Now I want to get the format. How I do that?
You would get.
Let's take it down. But after this,
you said that.
I'll get my answer. I move down. This one.
Yeah.
Go this is fine. But I don't want to I lock people. Now how can I be even
So,
I will write okay. Now back
so you would have 4 only down. You do or right above or the last one.
this will be log. Now you see.
Okay.
Now this again Regan this again. I just write it.
People do E5 enter and after that you find the red button hit on that formula or either add $1 or something manually and then you go down and drag all the way down and then you get that.
Okay, now to change this
you would put on the one
control
control
1% to change it to control and change it to percentage again. So there are multiple options. You can change it. This is right in it. sometimes it's important. Why the this section? Because you have told that it will be there to please. Now you find that. Okay. Now okay.
Yes.
You can do 4 decimal points, 1 decimal point.
So like control 1.
Okay.
And then you would go to number.
Good.
And then decimal point 1.
Okay. Now, if I do hide color, this I'm taking the points with different team, with different color text. My question is from okay, right, I think now I want to same from this as well. How do you do it? Let's say go there, change it, give the color, give theme, till I did it. Means I'm copying everything into rest cell. How can
You don't see.
Control C? Okay, then
And just enter.
down and down. You get your desired answer, but let's copy it and now you can see the Excel, they would automatically you can see the multiple cells. But now if you apply it to the multiple apply the none press you do this. Now if you look at there are multiple options. So I can okay. Let's move to directly move okay. We should pick or we should move next.
Yes.
Okay, let's read what we have.
We're going to sheet. So book is the name of the worksheet is each sheet of the book is project, and then you can sheet of the name, I guess.
How many worksheet I have? Yes, I do. And it is one you can do so behind. I want him to switch.
You have to right click on the mouse, and then
right and go to the and make a color this thing. How can I do that?
And then
If it's a certification, there. Let's say give the location action 3 or the action 3 or action 2 data. If you want to give the certification, we should basically do that. The colors, say lighter and other colors and the colors. Please and this different accents. So you can go into something like that. Go to find RGB, green and blue. Let's say red is 55, green is 55, blue is 50. You can change the shape there. What is the jump into the last?
That's the last code. Yeah.
So down you the last
Row.
right arrow. So how many accents? Let's say if you want to that column, go there and allow. But this is in that way. You see how 4 columns. Okay. Now let's say there are to create this and drag it and window. It will ask you if you want to this actually give us just 15 20 this cell data out there. That's it. And what table description office only fill that table you have drag it down. Now you can series or you can money or okay. Let's see.
So we're going to control A and hit control H. You can name you want to paste, and then type it. You're going to replace it.
Change it. Replace all. It will just a 4 replacement. So you want to change 0 with the not do that.
Control A. Control H. Let's see.
0.
No, 0, yeah. Yeah, go to options.
Data or H. I could find 0 here.
Maybe because there's multiple.
Oh, this one. If you find let's see is 0. This is control H find 0. Let's say 5 2 and what ABC. The problem is okay. Let's write it. Basically the you want this because and that purpose trying to pick the match in time. So if you get 0 that's why not my term. Where is the not any text with the now you can see the numbers. Now from please
so first we're going to equal and hit with E5, I put the 20 and hit enter, and the change percentage you could do control 1 and then go to the number extension, then you change that as you want there, and then if you do the rest of the you could go back up on formula bar and then hit F4, and then you would go down all the way.
Very awesome. I just got the facility concept and doing awesome. Okay, now my question is what copy I do that. Let's go I do something here.
I'm gonna want to copy and then press change all the way down to facility.
Very replace all lines or erase all the lines. Okay.
And then no. This one. Control H. H. No, it's not H. So control 1. Yeah. And then oh, that's fine. Okay.
Now this is how
so Can we go to control F5?
A5 special text.
And then you would do control.
No, I want to do this.
Yeah.
Use that. Now, maybe from the change formula.
So the first thing you're going to control A, and then you're going to 5.
Y5.
Because you get to the train what you want to highlight, right?
Press F5. Then
Go to special.
very good. Special.
You click on the
On the scroll, select the text and you are right.
Again, what I
Text all the select text.
so continue. And F5 special.
Good.
And then one that has state.
Constant and all this.
Yeah.
Text on text. Okay, text. My question is from means I want to remove something that says I want to move formatting in format printer and that's it.
Okay.
And second select go there and all data. I want all. So clear comments. I want now you think the data is one side is for
So yes. So do control 1 or yeah, you have selected it so 1 and decimal number.